Please stand by for a message from the United States government.
National emergency message for the United States. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Do not turn on your old TV without a firearm or a bat. Besides the one broadcasting this message. If you do, you will see an octopus break out of your TV used on protection as soon as possible.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Alaska State Police and police departments in the warned areas. All residents must evacuate immediately. Due to a sighting of the supernatural human entity named Cloudy Sky, her powers include extremely powerful punch and others. Do not hesitate.